Hello everyone. Have you ever thought that we are at home? Is it possible to take a laptop? We are connected to our TV. Then let's take another microphone. So did the TV at home become a KTV? The singing system is up. It's like this. The laptop is projected onto my TV. I'm picking up my microphone. We can just sing. Have fun. The point is to talk about how to connect your microphone. How to put the sound of your microphone. Mix with your music. There are many ways to do this. You can use OBS to mix. You can also put this output of this HDMI. Let's get that voice out first. After the voice was pumped out, let's throw this one sound card again. The sound card is followed by another microphone. Oh, that's it. The sound card comes out of this sound. Then connect an HDMI and sound mixer. Throw it all the way out. Connect the TV again. It's too much trouble. Today we are going to introduce a special product. This is the one. This one is called Smartphone to Karaoke Adapter. I've made this one in my previous films. Smartphone to Karaoke Adapter. The main thing is to use your iPhone or Android phone. It becomes karaoke to sing. It doesn't matter if it's vertical or horizontal. You can sing it.
做什么都值得，爱上了一个人。
But we're not going to talk about this phone today. The object we are connecting to today is this laptop. Then we're going to implement it on the laptop. How to turn a laptop into a home karaoke system. This is smartphone to karaoke adapter. We're now going to put this laptop's HDMI output. Connect to this one place. It's called HDMI in. Then go to the converter. It will turn the sound out of a line out. This line out, I just connected to my sound card. Line in of the sound card. Line in is called this accompaniment, and then this side can handle some. What a microphone mix. I'm going to connect the microphone to this one. Here's this interface for dynamic microphone. Just hook it up and you're good to go. That's when this sound card will be the sound of this microphone. And this accompaniment sound of this laptop. Mix it up. Finally, there's this line out. Output an analog line out. Line out, and then throw this line in again. And then, this converter combines the sound with the original video. Mix it up. This HDMI output is then connected to the TV. First of all, let's connect the power supply. And then what? The output of this HDMI of the laptop. I'm connecting it to this side. There's one called HDMI in. Then connect to the laptop side. Then the HDMI video source of the TV. I'm just connected to this white box HDMI out. That's it. At this time, you'll see a blue picture like this on your TV screen. This boot screen. We prepare a sound card. I'm going to connect a dynamic microphone to this sound card. This one. Look at that. These converters. There's one called line out. Line out is connected to its accompaniment. In this case, the processed sound is called monitoring. Then connect to its line in. At this time, you will see a blue screen. Never mind, there's a button here called video switch. It's good to press this one here. This force is pressed down. Wait 3 seconds. His screen will jump to the laptop. Oh, it's out. Okay, at this time, he actually has a voice.
Hi.
Barbecue 了，这 barbecue 了 barbecue 了，真的完蛋了，真的完蛋了。Oh my god, oh my god, barbecue 了，真的完蛋了 barbecue 了。春去春回来，花谢花会再开。
That's it. You can sing it at home with this system. Your karaoke is up. That's except for singing. You can also take this equipment out at the time of this speech. There are some places for presentations. It doesn't necessarily have this mixer. If you have an expander, you don't need this device. There are some establishments that don't have an enlarger. Let's say you want to present a slideshow. You can also use your voice with this microphone. Mix in together. Let's say I'm running a slideshow right now.
这时候我就可以用我的麦克风来讲解这一个投影片。哦，这是我第一张投影片，第二张投影片。 我就可以这边讲解啊，这个电视啊，就是你的扩大器了，就这么简单。
Let's summarize how we will be our laptops. Connect to our TV and then add extra microphone. The premise is that there is no mixer. We can use this one smartphone to karaoke adapter. Will be the sound of our microphone and the sound of this original YouTube accompaniment. Mix it up and then throw it on this TV together. Of course, you need to have one of these sound cards. This sound card won't be very expensive. You're like a normal sound card. You are Taobao in China. It's about USD 10. In fact, they are already pretty good. Of course, you can use it better. Yamaha is no problem with those. You don't think you're fussy about that sound card. Just buy one for USD 100. It is no problem. This way you can get your laptop a singing system that turns into a KTV.
哦，这样子。
真的 barbecue 了，barbecue 了，